सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Happy 75th Independence Day to all. We are living in a free country. Yay! You know, time and again we do forget that we are living in this free democratic country. So as you can see, we are in a different setting today, and we are not just in a different setting, we are going to do something very different as well. What we are going to do? We are going to decorate earthen lamps. हाँ जी जनाब, दिए सने वाले हैं आज हम. And why these earthen lamps? Because why not? Yeah, so we'll just sit and decorate these lamps. Meanwhile, I'll talk about few random things. And yeah, I just want to ask you for a little favor. If you feel like your chai or coffee time is alone, or you're just missing a friend who likes to gossip and put their strong point of view across and sometimes motivate you, then I would highly suggest you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Now let's start the video. Lemon tea. So let me quickly show you my setting, and here we are sitting on a bubble wrap, and there's a bed sheet over it. Here's my Jugaad setup table. Everything is on it as you can see. And oh yeah, Pepsodent. Oh yeah, you must be thinking why I'm having Pepsodent here. Yes, listen, I really care about you. I'm also bacho. Look at my teeth. White, they are pristine white. A few days ago I have ordered this toothpaste. I got 3 of these in that order, and it's absolutely not sponsored. I'm genuinely telling you, this toothpaste is amazing, and this toothpaste actually gave me crisp clean mirror like feeling on my teeth. Pepsodent G Gum Care Plus reduces gum problems in 7 days. Now we're going to color our earthen lamps, and I've already covered it with like white cement. The first one, actually I've coated this in the white cement, but I don't recommend this to others because as you can see, this white cement is coming off on my fingers and I don't think the paint will stick to it properly. I'm going to use some watercolors and my fabric color as well. So I'm only going to make these lines, these slant lines on this. Yeah, talking and painting is such a hard thing for me to do. I think my brain capacity is so low that I can't do 2 things at the same time. I know what I was trying to do a few days ago. I was trying to become ambidextrous. I was trying to learn to write from both of my hands at the same time, and then after trying for a few days I realized, you know, this is not for me. This is for people like Jawaharlal Nehru. And I mean, if you haven't tried it, just try it once, how hard it is to write with both hands. I'm going to keep the designs very simple. Even if you don't know how to paint or draw and you still just want to do this like a fun activity, then you will also be able to follow through. Only what you have to do is to create slant lines. Here actually I thought that I'll paint these and talk about random things, but now as I'm painting it, now all the random things have left my mind. Okay, so as it is, yes, let me think what I just wanted to talk. Yeah, I wanted to talk about the real independence. You know, even yesterday I woke up and I've realized that as we are not born at that time period when we were like enslaved by the Britishers, we don't know the plight and the misery of those people, and we just take our freedom for granted. I mean, just look at your country, like how free we are. Like, we are free, and we are free to choose whatever we want in our life, whatever we want to choose as our career. You can, I mean, we have all the freedom any person could get. Most of the times we like to complain about our country, like India is not clean, we are populated and things like that, but we are the ones who can bring these changes. It's not government or anybody else's fault. The only bad things about our country are the things which we have created ourselves, and they could be very easily changed. And you know, one thing which we have to change beforehand anything, that is our mentality. We are not enslaved by any other country now we are enslaved with our mindset and our backwards thinking. I mean, still we are living in a society where people are so judgmental, discriminate in between the genders, caste, complexion. I mean, we are living in 2021 and we are still doing this. As you can see, now I've completely covered it with these blue lines. But it's looking fine even like this. See, it's done. Our first diya is done, almost done, well, not exactly done, but yeah, almost done. सिलसिला ये चाहत का न मैंने बुझने दिया, ओ ना ना धूम ta ताने ना धूम तरिंग धूम. Now we are going to keep it aside so that this color will dry up. Our